Hello, I'm Haz, your candidate for the East Coast GRC. I appreciate you for showing up because you care. I applaud you for caring about Singapore because she is ours to protect. I celebrate you for being here because you matter. A lot is said about our generation, but let us be the one to define ourselves. We are a generation of multiple hyphenates, multiple identities, multiple passions, multiple aspirations. No cap. It's not that we bruise easily, but we feel strongly. It's not that we're too idealistic. We set high bars because we saw our parents succeed. It's not that we're not resilient. We experience new lows because we dare to be vulnerable. Previously, I was a journalist. I valued facts, but not without context. I valued facts, but understood feelings matter. I valued facts, but it means nothing if it's not understood. Later, I became a CEO, 1 out of 13.1% female CEOs in Singapore. Women leaders are here to stay. Young leaders are here to stay. As Chief Fairy Godmother of Make-A-Wish Singapore, I saw firsthand how having a wish come true brings hope, strength, and joy to families in difficult situations. Hope let us live very meaningful lives. As president of the board of PPIS, a large social service agency dedicated to uplifting women, children, and families, my team and I stewarded the organization through COVID-19. We dedicated our time to lift up vulnerable communities. And as a Singaporean, I'm stepping forward because I want to build a Singapore that is kind to one another, that believes in one another, that steps forward for each other. Now, Comrade Harun earlier said it was about 66 years ago when the first Fullerton Rally was held. Back then, our GDP was slightly under 2 million. Fast forward to today, we've crossed $500 billion. From mudflat to metropolis, look all around you. As a young child, I remembered my dad will send my mother to Anson Road, where she worked when she's not at the shipyard. He was so proud of his wife, a young mother then, a minority woman working in the CBD. My late dad would say, "This would be your office one day, Hazlina." It took 40 years, but he was right. What can I say? Fathers know best. So shout out to my colleagues at 1 George Street for coming by to support us. Shout out to all the people working hard here in the CBD. Let's give it up for you guys. The pioneer generation built this mighty red dot. We must honor their sacrifices and dream big and live better lives. But make no mistake, it will not be easy. Challenges are coming our way. I see you. It's competitive here on the mighty red dot, but we must press on. Just like you, I want a Singapore where everyone has opportunities and there is pride and recognition in every job. Much like you, I want a safe workplace. Safeguards for fair employment must be strengthened. We need to stem out discrimination. And a lot like you, I want to see Singaporean corporate leaders being nurtured to lead us. The PAP will support our talents to achieve aspirations at home, at work, and in the community. I want to recognize everyone here for all your hard work here in the heart of the CBD and your hard work at home. Facts. Every hardworking Singaporean deserves the chance to move up, build a better life, and glow up. The PAP stands with you. And now, our national language, and very proudly my mother tongue. Saudara, lihat saja di sekeliling Anda betapa megahnya suasana. Sama seperti Anda, saya inginkan Singapura di mana kita berpeluang menggapai cita-cita dan di mana penat lelah kita dihargai. Seperti Anda, saya inginkan pejabat yang memastikan kesaksamaan, berlaku adil dan selamat untuk semua. Seperti anda, saya ingin melihat lebih ramai warga Singapura menerajui jawatan kepimpinan. PAP akan menyokong tenaga kerja untuk mencapai aspirasi dan kesejahteraan masyarakat kita harus diutamakan. Jangan sesekali kita putus asa. Biar putih tulang, jangan putih mata. Singapura milik kita, masa depan kita, tanggungjawab bersama. Saya Hazlina Abdul Halim memohon sokongan anda, menabur bakti buat anda dan anak-anak anda. Undilah PAP. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, the world as we know it, as all my comrades have said, is no longer the same. In a changed and uncertain global environment, Singapore must build a resilient, confident and caring nation. To my besties who are focusing on your career, you do you. To my besties hoping to raise families, 加油! Success must look like what we see in the mirror. On May 3, I ask for your trust. Vote PAP for a future where progress is made together, heart to heart, hand in hand. One people, one nation, one Singapore. Majulah Singapura!